Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today we are preparing almond shortbread. Ingredients for almond shortbread: ingredients for chocolate drizzle used for piping. Preparation: preheat the oven to the temperature shown. Method for the almond shortbread. Step 1. Cream the butter and the sugar together until light and creamy. Add in the vanilla extract and whisk. Sift in the plain flour, rice flour and salt. Mix gently to combine. Drop in the chopped nuts, mix to combine. Mix well to form a dough. Cover the bowl with cling film. Refrigerate for 20 to 30 minutes. Remove from the fridge. Roll out the dough a quarter of an inch thick. Cut out desired shapes. Place on a tray lined with parchment paper or grease-proof paper. Refrigerate for 15 to 20 minutes. Then, bake in a preheated oven for 20 minutes or until light brown. Final step is to remove from the oven and place on a cooling rack to cool completely. Method for chocolate drizzle for piping. Step 1 is to melt the chocolate in a microwave, initially for 1 minute. After a minute, remove and mix, and microwave for an additional 30 seconds. Once again, remove from the microwave and mix. Add in the icing sugar and the butter, mix well. Fill the chocolate mixture into a piping bag. Cut off the tip of the bag to allow a thin flow. Pipe the chocolate mixture over the biscuits. Use your creativity to decorate. Enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy.